everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is gonna be about hair. So I bleached my hair. I've been bleaching my hair since I can remember, probably since like freshman year. So since I've been dyeing my hair, I've always wanted to reach that like ashy blonde color. And as you guys can see, I have a lot of yellow and orange tones all over the parts that are bleached. So I've been doing a lot of research, and the last thing that I found, and it was on YouTube, I saw a few girls toning their hair with the Manic ultraviolet, which is this bright. Yeah, so from the videos I've seen on YouTube and the comments I read, a lot of girls said that if you have a lot of yellow tones to go with the ultraviolet, and if you have like orange tones to go with the blue. Now that I'm looking at my hair, I think I should have went with the blue because I feel like I have a little bit more orange than yellow, but we're still gonna try it out today and see if it turns out good. Then hopefully you guys can do the same for your hair, because my hair has been brassy for a few months now, and I hate the unevenness all over my hair. So hopefully this works on my hair. I do suggest, just before you do anything, is trying it out on just a small piece of your hair, just to make sure that it works and that you like it, so that your hair doesn't turn out purple. So I did try it in a small piece of my hair. See if I can find it right here, because I straightened it and everything to see how it would look. It might look kind of purple on the video. I don't know if you guys can see the difference, but when I look at myself in the mirror, it looks like that ashy color that I've been going for, and I rather that than everything that's going on this side. So yeah, we're gonna do it all over. I'm gonna do it all over my hair, and the stuff I'm gonna be using is just some gloves. I got the Manic and ultraviolet. I got an empty bowl and a brush. And the last thing you're gonna need is just some conditioner. I saw in a lot of videos on YouTube that most of the girls said to use a clear shampoo or white conditioner. This is what I had in my house, so I went with it. And like I said, I did test it on a strand of my hair and it worked perfectly fine. I do want to say I'm not a professional, so this is what just worked on that strand of my hair. Now I'm gonna do it all over my hair. I'm just gonna start to show you guys. I'm gonna start with this much of conditioner. I think that should be enough for right now. And then when you go and pour in your ultraviolet, do not pour a lot, because your hair will end up being purple. I'm just gonna use, I'll show you exactly how much I'm gonna use. I'm gonna use, like, if it was like a spoon, even though it's not a spoon, but yeah, just like a full, yeah, kind of like a full spoon. And then I'm just gonna mix it. Okay, so I think I'm done mixing it, and this is how it should look, or at least this is how I want it on my hair. Like I said, it probably depends on how much hair you have, if it's thick or thin, and how ashy you want it to look, because remember, if you do put a lot, your hair will end up being purple, and that also depends on how long you leave it on. So then I'm just gonna brush out my hair. Okay, and now that I am done, I look like a poodle, but yes, so you can either section your hair or you can just dab it everywhere. I'm probably gonna do the, Jesus, I don't even know where to start. I think I'm gonna do 2 ponytails at the end and just start from the bottom and go up. So yeah, let's do that. froze. So what I did was just starting to open my hair and make sure that I get every strand. I'm also gonna take it out of the ponytail and start doing all the spots that I missed. Same thing on both sides. And I'm just gonna start brushing it out. Okay guys, so I'll be back in 25 minutes. That's how long I'm gonna leave it for. I do suggest just double checking everything, brush your hair again, and make sure you didn't leave like any of the brassy spots out, because it is gonna be way more noticeable after you take off all the purple dye. So yeah, see you guys in 25 minutes. Okay guys, so it's been 10 minutes and it's already looking pretty ashy. So if in 5 more minutes it turns any more purple than it already is, I'm probably gonna take it off before the time that I said, just because I'd rather be careful, and if anything I can just always do it over again. So let me see if I can show you guys. I don't know if you can see. Let me see. Ooh, it looks purple. But if you look at it as well, besides the purple, it looks very, very ashy compared to how I had my super yellow orange hair. So yeah, see right there, when I open it, you guys can see that it looks very, very gray, which is exactly what I'm going for. So I'm super excited to see how it turns out. So yes, I'm gonna wait 5 more minutes, and if it turns any darker, I'm gonna take it off. Okay guys, so it's been exactly 15 minutes, but before I take it off, I just wanted to show you how it looks in the sunlight. Let me see. Okay, so right here, as you guys can see, I feel like it looks pretty ashy already, and it's starting to take like a few purple undertones. So I'm gonna take it off before my hair does turn purple. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys. Hi everyone, so it's been about an hour and these are the final results. I am super duper in love with my hair right now. As you guys can see, it literally took away all the yellow and all the orange, so it does work, or at least for me it does work. And I know you guys might be able to see a little bit of purple undertones. I'm not sure if you can or not, but I'm still in love with it. It's super ashy and it's still a little wet, so maybe if you see some areas that are a bit darker, it might be because of that, but I completely recommend it. And also, if you're under a budget like me, I truly recommend this. As you guys can see, it really does work, and it's super low budget. That ultraviolet only cost me nine something at Walmart, but you can find it at Sally's or probably any beauty salon, beauty supply. You could find it. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you all have a beautiful day, and thank you again. Bye.